I built this spaceship on my own. It took 10 days and the hardest part was the body and the gun over here. It's uses like a circle part, and then once you press here, it's gonna shoot it out. But I don't have it because it's gonna flicker on someone's eye, and I have the gun over here, and then you just have to. Hey!
He do this. He do this. By himself?
Okay, show me the gun.
And I have some Mandalorians, and they're all bad guys, so you just put him there, and then we put the other character there, and then you just close it. I even do this. And then here are the jets. They make it run and. One second. And these are the wings, and they can fold it up like this. And then you can also spin the body like this. Then you can also open this up, and you can also flip them back down, and you can also spin on the back here, and it puts its stickers on it. And then this was from Christmas, and then I started assemble it on February the 10th, and I used it some of my Legos, and then it helped. And I used some of my Legos to connect the wings, and then that's it. Bye bye.
You like it?
Yes.
You enjoy Lego?
Yes.
Okay. Good job.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Okay.
Bye.